फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? मैं राकेश कल्याणी राजेश हॉलीडेज़ की तरफ से आपका लेह लद्दाख टूर में स्वागत करता हूं। आपको लेह लद्दाख पार्ट 1 काफ़ी पसंद आया होगा, तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं लेह लद्दाख टूर पार्ट 2। तो ये वीडियो लास्ट तक देखें, इसे लाइक कीजिए, फ्रेंड्स में शेयर कीजिए। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो इसे आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको आने वाले सारे डेस्टिनेशन वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन रेगुलर मिलती रहे। फ्रेंड, सब्सक्राइब बटन के बाजू में बेल आइकॉन दिया हुआ है, उसको आज ही प्रेस कीजिए। तो फ्रेंड, शुरू करते हैं लेह लद्दाख टूर वीडियो पार्ट 2। Good morning, friends. After taking breakfast on day 4th, Nubra Valley, now we are going to take a ride of two-hump camel safari. It's a two-hump camel unique in Asia and you find only in the Ladakh. It's really good experience to do camel safari here. After camel safari, we come back to our Nubra Valley tent for the lunch. Then we proceed for Pangong Lake. This is 4 hours journey from Nubra Valley to Pangong.
This is
we
Nubra
pass
Valley,
into beautiful Himalayan range.
Here we are doing the camel rides, two-hump camel rides, and see the beautiful panoramic view of the Nubra Valley. To enjoy all these moments, come to Ladakh with Rajesh.
Good morning. See this sunny morning in the Nubra Valley Swiss tent. See the 360-degree view of our Nubra Valley Swiss tent. Our tent have attached bathroom and toilet facility with heater too for the night time. You get a beautiful view of mountains from here. You get fabulous view of mountains Himalayan range in day and night from this resort. There is a heavy snowfall in the Nubra Valley Swiss tent area at night, so little bit traffic congestion while going to Pangong Lake. Some of the guests, friend enjoying funny moment. Now we move towards Pangong Lake, and we after 4 hours journey we reach to Pangong Lake. Very beautiful, mind-blowing experience at the Pangong Lake. Total blue, crystal clear water of Pangong Lake. If you coming to Ladakh and not visit Pangong Lake, then your tour will be half. To finish your Ladakh tour, you must have to come to Pangong Lake and stay for one night here. We and our travel agents provide very beautiful and comfortable stay in the Pangong Lake Swiss tent.
माउंटेन
The White Mountains, all part of China.
और ये चाइना वही बॉर्डर है ना, व्हाइट जो माउंटेन दिख रहे हैं वही है ना चाइना बॉर्डर पीछे। हाँ
इसके पीछे माउंटेन अपना है। सेटलमेंट करके आते हैं नहीं है
क्या लेगा बोल।
The crystal clear blue water of the Pangong Lake. Total 140 kilometers area. India have 25% and China have the 75% area of this Pangong Lake. And that extreme white mountains of the snow becomes China.
स्लो मोशन में उसने निकाला लगा।
આવ્યો.
See the beautiful Swiss tent just opposite to Pangong Lake. We also serve here pure vegetarian and Jain food.
शेडो
This is the best and famous place where so many Hindi movies shooting done here. This is the one image of the famous Hindi movie shot. Day 5th after
Beautiful view
breakfast we
from
back to
Duxit-
Leh
Duxit.
Hotel. On the way
Duxit
we
Monastery.
visit the Skit Monastery. It is a very beautiful monastery of the Lord Buddha Padmasambhava. On the way.
બંડી ભાઈ ના ના પેલા ટીપના પૈસા મારા આપવાના એક મિનિટ સ્ક્રીન કર લઉં.
Day 6 for the relax. Day 7th we move towards the
Beautiful view of the Nubra Valley from the Duxit Monastery view.
તમે ક્યાં બી હાથ રાખી એટલે
beautiful view of the Hall of Fame. मैडम को मोबाइल में बात करने के लिए
To see Darjeeling Sikkim tour video, please click on I button
I'm
above.
going to Mumbai.
See this takeoff video till last. You can get a beautiful view of Himalayan range up till when flight reach up till 20,000 feet height. So don't miss to see this beautiful moments of Himalayan range. So please see this video till last. To see Sri Lanka and Azerbaijan video, please click on this link. Please also subscribe our channel. Thank you.